Hi, I am Nishtha and we are back with another video of Odoo Bridge for PrestaShop. In our previous video, you have seen how you can do the configuration as per the requirement. Today, we will explore how we can do the setting in order to manage the order and the customer at both Odoo and PrestaShop. So what to wait? Let's dive in. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. So let's check how we can sync the order and the customer from PrestaShop to Odoo. So navigate towards the orders on the left hand side from the panel. Click on orders again. And here you can check the order listing from there. Select the order which you want to sync. Now click on this bulk actions and navigate towards the synchronize with Odoo. All selected orders has been successfully exported to Odoo. That means the order which we have selected has been exported to Odoo. We can check it from the Odoo mapping as well by clicking on Odoo mapping and then going to order section. Here you can see the orders ID which we have selected are exported. Now if you want to export the customer, so for that we'll navigate towards the customer option under the Odoo mapping. And here you have to click on this synchronize so that the customer details can be synced or marked with Odoo. No new customers found. That means the customer which is already there have been exported to Odoo. So if you will going to create a new customer or there will be any new customer, then only it will going to export to Odoo. So now let's check how it will going to reflect at the Odoo end. So here we are at the Odoo backend. Navigating towards the home menu, here we have the sales option. Now click on orders. You can check the orders which we have exported from PrestaShop are reflecting here at the orders section. Now if you want to check the customers, so for that navigate towards the home menu and click on Ecom Odoo Bridge from there. Now again click on mapping. Choose customer mapping. Here you can see the customer listing which are there in PrestaShop end. So if you will going to export any of the customer from the PrestaShop to Odoo, you can check the customer details from there. So this is how you can also sync the customer and the order details from the PrestaShop to Odoo. In our next video, we'll check how we can manage the stock and product. Like the same way, you can also manage the order and customer at both the end. Stay tuned for our next video in which we'll check the product and stock management. Got a question for this? Reach us at support@webcool.com or is a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.